Hey everybody, welcome to a brand new episode of the Totally Tim Show. I am Totally Tim. It's so great you guys could join us. Today we have something spectacular. I mean, totally amazing. I grabbed this piece of wood just from the pile of wood, right? And I found it has this hole in it. It's a giant, it goes way in there. I can't wait to get underneath the bark of this and find out how far does that actually go in there. So let's get started. So I'm gonna take I think I'm gonna make a flat in it first. Like this. No, I don't wanna do that. Because I really wanna get that cross section. We'll just leave it like that. We're peeling this back. We're getting farther and farther. I want to put some water on this so you guys can see the grain on this white willow is just phenomenal. It's just amazing how cool it looks inside here. We do have that split or that check, but we're not worried about that. I just want to find out what's inside. So let's go down one more layer and see what's in there. So we had a little problem with the blade, but good thing I have a few in the shed. But anyway, so let's put a new blade on it and let's continue. See what's inside of this. All right. There you go. line. Perfect lineup. Made it just right. Okay, so what we're trying to do is get this flat so that we can lower our backstops all the way down and then start cutting into this. Really see what's inside of this very special little tree. Let's get inside. We're getting closer to that awe-inspiring what's inside of this log. What we've got right now is a couple of quick just pieces that we've cut off. Make sure that we're not missing anything. You guys can see all of this. It's amazing work, amazing wood. This is beautiful. Wait till the end of this video. You guys see this. The grain, the flecking in this is amazing. Let's take a couple more cuts and find out what's even deeper. All right, we've cut through a couple more layers. I so want to show you guys this wood. All right, so the first thing let's do is let's take the first one off. I don't know what's under there. Oh man, oh look, it starts right there. It's starting. Okay, so we do have some moisture. This is from the saw, but you can see right here is the hole is starting. So we're getting there. This next piece should be really crazy. Let's real careful. See what's there? Oh, look at that. Wow, that is amazing. Wait till you guys see this. Look at this. Look at this. It's getting close. It's getting close. We can see, like, oh, look, there's a piece of a stick in there. We can see kind of what's in there. Wait till you guys can see that. We're starting to get inside. So what we're gonna do now, we'll take another couple cuts. That should finish it out and let you guys see this hole. Wow, the moment we've all been waiting for. It's so dramatic. And I don't even want drama on my show. Okay, look, this is it, guys. The last cut, this will show us the breadth of what actually we have. And so here, let's flip it up and find out. Are you guys ready? This is gonna be crazy. This is gonna be crazy. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Not the hole, even though the hole is really super cool. It doesn't look like it was really a nest after all. It looks like just a defect in the tree. Maybe something happened with bugs or fire or whatever. I'm not sure what it was. We'll find out, but look at this crotch figure inside of this tree. It's phenomenal. The grain, just the artistic, the way this whole, the coloration of the grain and the flecking in this is awesome. Let's get some water on it and show you guys what I was talking about. This figure is, look at that wood. Look at that wood. And that's right where the hole was, right here. We've got a little bit of deformity here from, looks like some bugs or whatever might have made it into that. But other than that, look at that. That is just amazing. Let's move on to one of the earlier pieces. This is where we first started picking up on it. You can see this spalting in the wood right here. The variations in color and kind of looks like it's kind of a marbling effect. And then as you come down, we can see these amazing fleckings that start into the wood and the dark umber coloring around the knots. I just can't pour enough water on it. I'm pretty stoked. This is gonna make some amazing something. I don't know what I'm gonna make out of it, but it's gonna be amazing, whatever it is. Just the color of it is just phenomenal. I can't wait to get started. That about does it for today. I don't think we need to go any farther into that. As a matter of fact, what I want to do is I kind of have a hobby, a craft thing that I was thinking about. So I'm gonna block out that hole and use it. I think it'll be really cool. So stay tuned for future episodes. After I build my shop, we're gonna get into that. But this is some of the wood that we did today. Turned out absolutely amazing. We did a few little problems here and there with today's show, but all in all, it turned out really great. Thanks everybody for watching me. You guys are amazing. I certainly appreciate you watching the show. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and the little bell icon so you guys can stay up to date with everything we do.